Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Friday, the 26th of September. We are here at the Samal Davao City Connector Soft project. It will be a toll-free 4-lane, 2 lanes in each direction. The bridge with a total length of about 4 kilometers. There will be 4 ramps in Davao City, and there will be a roundabout here on the Samal Island side. So this is where the roundabout is going to be. And here you can see the actual construction site. It is a Philippine-Chinese cooperation. So here you see the poles which will be carrying the bridge. On the other side, you see the skyline of Davao City. That's the junction of TP Laurel A Castillo. There will be the connector bridge in Davao City. And here you can see our roundabout, which is going to be here on Samal Island. Well, thank you very much for watching. I keep you posted about the progress. Bye bye.